Bia Kamal Kanwar online TV channel tukon ka breaking news mi bi konaling antama ere wisika Juba karaj mishagor antama a Major General Lure Kong man la lerla khalat kadeni kirmayadit kedeni SSPDF tintire wicha ka South Sudan en mi bi konaling wasame Kenya amba mutod bajalatin ka kor biya joling ka queen security ka mandana to antama ere wicha ka Juba watch course de tuok tiang kimandan kiepan dioje kan kon dia langaj mandan lero baran teme chaja confirm anu te krieng mugoro tuogre wik Juba banje kulalinga gwa ka jode ka dubran bejelat keje ka jen lerame brod palfin jen chajalat ka tuk English kenyam ba kon rach ka tung nori be lan mandan lero de mat ka kore bana kulo ka jode akan konure ler kana mi jiram jidit kanwar online TV channel don jen changan yam koji gore jen wo jinder jinwa kanasen ko kena lerame kanwa jaban en wo jinder subscribe kanwar online TV channel kadir notification bell der jetwan anyo gore jen wo jinder char der jato pingwas mo ke comment ko de men lade ki men che linka na me de kula ngai ki mete ga charm de to ba de do de ja gore ko ba je ga netin ko kien bana chure ler kam dana gor kon liang de entama chala de wona ne ri gan to gore wuche ka Juba chala do kume ayo ki SPLM IO chala do shikaro di rep re wuche ka Juba chala do ken chi ga jal mdi de long mu ga ken wo dong de korde to kre wi ka Juba kujamo chukuma SSPDF shikarodian churialeka lo shiko jawich re wich ka South Sudan ka dobadan en jel ka SPLM IO waken chika de tiak lo shika de yet tiang kien walɛ gwadan tiek ke Juba ke Juba mazenene chala do ti SPLM IO tiken ke jitin ke tiken ke ditin en winemi wamen chukulu tuok waken chikiti long ke dene SSPDF lo chukurche de tuok dio jen wo yen chaja ngajban wala no chinete ngwan chiga jalalong re wike Juba chet ke dene Uganda lo kan ka control n walle re wicha ka Juba men biya kula ngajene ano bukor betuok da tuok anytime quick corner ene wari run wala changendien kan corner ngaj but men titin antama no kortetin korjatin ko do badana chalar ke jagwaza me Ramadan en la spokesperson SSPDF chief of defense forces men right la right ke kui tin kon lat ko rodiere kuma ka kirma yadit neme gurje no enran be jellinga no antama diego jeno ba yikte ke rol tun wan burien lat kam de ni kirma yadit kene de ne SPLM IO duno mu we tuok men bianga jeno tuok de chaje bulunga makab je chong ajen do bdanan ku kirma yadit ko de ni Uganda la no ngere wiki Juba ko bi kene din kon tila de ne SPLM IO bi ke yet kaka kamu korm we tuok bu South Sudan ke Juba ba chutirere ka jen gwas me tema chana jo me chana jeling jo dana chalat wuri shalke Major General Lure Kong mala lerla kalade biaman lada gwaz me biya chulin gor jen wo yen biya jetuk ka kora bale nyok lunjok chana jeling.
Good morning everyone. I'm at Juba International Airport. A few minutes ago I received the sixth batch of our security forces that survived the Nasser attack. However, the announcement that I would like to make this afternoon or this morning, it regards the security situation around Juba. Since Nasser was overrun by SPLM IO and the White Army, we have been monitoring activities of SPLM IO all over the country, especially around Juba. And in the last 3 days or 4 days, we had observed significant increase in movements of SPLM IO forces in their areas, in areas under their control, especially around Wounded area. Today in the morning, of course, we have presence at a place called Nyamuni. Nyamuni is after Luri, west of Juba. We have our base, which is being manned by SSPDF Commandos Unit. The base has been there for some time. However, in the surrounding area in Wuliet, we have SPLM IO forces under the overall command of Benjamin Gore. He is a senior SPLM IO commander. His forces have been scaling up their movements, kind of hostile movements that we have been observing. Today, this morning, they had sent out a recce that was clearly in military formation, a formation that showed that they were ready for combat. They came very close to our outpost at Nyamuni. We also had a recce that was out to conduct regular observatory mission. The IO forces in the area, the recce advanced towards them because we do not want to engage in unintentional confrontations. The base commander ordered for our forces to pull back in order to avoid imminent clashes. The report was immediately sent to the SSPDF Chief of Defense Forces, General Dr. thoknath, on the situation that is developing, and he quickly instructed them to pull back, the recce team to pull back so that to avoid clashes with SPLM IO forces that are clearly in offensive position and ready to engage us. The CDF in turn instructed me to come on air, to come and appeal on his behalf, to come and appeal to SPLM IO Commander-in-Chief, who is also the first Vice President of the Republic, to get in touch with his forces that are around Juba on the need for them to de-escalate the situation by not taking offensive posture, by not conducting patrols, and by not sending recce close to our positions, because if we get too close, when they are in
Ajen shaling on wo ken Mexican lad guasame no de corder romo wala jen shaling on ka Jordan lad guasame. So minutin jene gor jen wo bi winyene di albetation ka malat ka me jen talk de ci korche de romo wala anyong man bi angaj ala kuma SSPDF gor kano nyen kan ke kuma dakring ma chaten chaje ngaje no ko ninten pai wono ji kanade gor no de kan dakring ma chade kan ne kan de nin kontila de ni SSPDF especially de ni jane wa ganka ne ke antem mu ku yene lengwas me karam dala le realat ko ken ko lar ne ka kan no shika de chade to wala ala kuma SPLM IO carried it this time ko do brana shalat kije gwaye bamma de dien be no ye ko gwasan be ani ya takamal